In this video, let's see how to add a custom field. Click on Contacts in the navigation bar. In the Contacts section, click the three-dot menu next to Import. Select Add New Contact from the drop-down menu. Fill out the required fields in the Add Contact pop-up. To add any additional details, there is also a custom field option. To add a custom field, enter a name in the field box. Click the plus icon to add the custom field. Now you can proceed to enter the details in the field. Click the Submit button to proceed. The contact has been successfully added to your contact list. By clicking the contact, the custom field details will be updated in the contact info. And also, calling an unfamiliar number triggers an Add Contact pop-up, which also displays the custom field. Thank you for watching.